Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to install our tail lamp overlays on this 2019 Nissan Altima. The first part of the video, we're going to be going over the dry application films, which would include the dark smoke and the light smoke listed on our website. The second part of the video, we're going to be showing you the wet application, which is the red tint film. For the wet application, you will need a spray bottle with 9 parts water to 1 part rubbing alcohol. The other tools that you'll need for today are a squeegee and a heat source, either a heat gun on a low setting, or if you don't have that, you can use a hairdryer on a high setting. So first off, we're going to be starting with the dark smoke application. You do want to make sure that everything is cleaned in either application, obviously, but on the dark smoke film, we're going to be just applying it completely dry. So once everything's clean, you can go ahead and pull the material from the backing paper. We're going to be starting with the quarter panel here. And you're going to want to align the film in between the amber and where it transitions into this like darker red. And we're going to be starting in this corner. So it is going to go a little bit past the amber. So once you get that aligned, keep a little bit of tension on the film to make sure you're covering that transition area. Once you get that set in place, you can go ahead and start to work on the film. You could use a squeegee for this. I do prefer using the fingertip because it's a little bit easier to tell if the film is bunching up, so then you could back off and try to realign it. So now that that part is installed, we're going to be moving to the reverse light. This is marked on the film paper with a DST, driver's side top. Same thing, a little bit beyond where the white portion stops. And then just back and forth with your thumb to get the film aligned and set. Now we're going to switch over to a heat source, heat gun, hair dryer, heat gun on a low setting, hair dryer on a high setting. Just want to go over the entire film. This will help lock it in place, and if you missed anything, it will pop up as a bubble at this point. So again, this is the dark smoke version of the film, also available in a light smoke. If you're interested in the differences on there, there are images of both on the website. And now we're going to switch over and show you how to apply the wet application of red film. All right, so now on the red application, this is going to be a wet application. Again, you'll need the spray bottle with the 9 parts water to 1 part rubbing alcohol. Once you have that, you can go ahead and peel the film from the backing material. Then we're going to go ahead and spray down the adhesive part of that film, and then spray down the lamp itself. Once you have that complete, you can go ahead and align the film. Now this is where the squeegee comes in handy. Just gonna go ahead and squeegee that water out. And then on something like this, you would want to make sure that you are giving it about a day or so to dry in like a 60-degree climate before you would go ahead and wash the car or take it through rain, something along those lines. The rubbing alcohol helps dry out the water in the film, so it will dry out. It just does take about 24 hours to do that process. So now we'll switch to the lamp on the trunk lid. Spray down the adhesive portion, spray down the lamp, line. And then go ahead and squeegee out the film. And again, this is the red film. Previously in the video, you saw the dark smoke film. Both are linked in the video description below. If you have any questions, make sure to let us know. Thanks for watching.